In this video, you'll learn how to use Claude Code for React development. This guide explains how to set up a React application and utilize Claude Code to assist with coding tasks. By the end, you will have a running React app and be able to issue commands to Claude for various coding requirements. Start by opening PowerShell on your computer. Once PowerShell is open, you will type in a command to create a new React application. Enter the command npx create Vite at latest my app. This command initializes a new project using Vite, which is a build tool that helps streamline the development process. After executing the command, a series of prompts will appear guiding you through the setup. When prompted, select React as the framework you want to use. Next, choose JavaScript as the language, as it offers a simpler setup. After making these selections, you will see the project being created. Once completed, navigate into your project directory by typing npm pressing enter. This command changes your current directory to the newly created project folder. Next, you need to install the necessary dependencies for your React application. Type npm install and press enter. This command will download and set up all required packages. After the installation is complete, start your development server by entering npm run dev. You should see a message indicating that your React app is now running along with a local server URL where you can view your application. Now that your React app is set up, it's time to open it in Visual Studio Code. Inside the project folder, type code in PowerShell and press enter. This command will launch Visual Studio Code in the current directory, allowing you to access your project files easily. To start using Claude Code, open the terminal within Visual Studio Code. You can do this by selecting Terminal from the top menu and then New Terminal. End the terminal, type Claude and press enter. If Claude Code opens successfully, it means you are now connected and ready to issue commands. You can now instruct Claude Code to assist you with your React application. For example, you might type commands such as create a navbar component, fix this error in app.jsx, or add a login form. Claude will respond by creating or modifying your React files according to your commands. This enhances your coding efficiency and streamlines the development process